Hi, this is Silent Solution. Today we are discussing how to web application in Docker container run. Let's go. This is my Silent Solution. Here is a Linux Cloud DevOps related and related exam preparation and video you can see, and my playlist. I think we have many video here. You can see this video. Let's go. First of all, we are connect our server sudo su where just root user given here. Sorry, cat. It is the OS release. This is Ubuntu 2022. Let's go. First of all, have Docker administration. Version. Docker is no installation. Must be your Docker installation and composite installation when you any web application. How to create a Docker new file, add a new file and Docker commands and configures and manage set and Docker for commands. Where now installation Docker compose. Docker compose installation, just single command. Well, let Docker installation is done. Where's the Docker version? Now we're compose installation. Copy and permission. Just a minute. We'll wait. Now execution permission and C version. Docker compose is installation is done. Now let's go mkdir. Here is project cd project task file. We're created Docker file. In the meantime, need to our which application is an installation. This is a zip file. Just wget. This is wget is ongoing. Now we are waiting just a minute. It's done. Now your ls yeah, unzip to one unzip is not found. Yeah, must be unzip installations. Zip think unzip is done. Now our file is unzip. I think unzip is done. cd to one ls. Here is document our website. Just it is tar because Linux always is a tar file working. silent.tar.gz. czvf. Just a minute, where ago cd project Dockerfile that same name is need to your file. How is the from Ubuntu level? Level is security purpose. Run as the executive code. CMD is the code as the expose port, working directory and home directory. Now save and exit wq extension save. cd21 ls here. Just a minute, we'll wait. Where the star file created here, silent.tar. I think now tar file is created, is done. It is move to our project. Just a minute, because it is to need to tar move cd project ls. Here is also is moving rm always where remove our zip file ls. Now is okay. Docker will be built. Here is just Docker now built. We can name this. We can name this Docker build silent1 name is project. Just a minute. And the build one. This is because this is not directory mentioned, that's why not working. Here is a must be a scan directory or which directory you can build your project. Docker daemon is running. Must be Docker daemon delete. Docker daemon is now again try is build. It's not JSON dot dot Docker building silent1. I think now is running because first time is daemon delete and stop and start again is working here. A Docker file right here is Docker file. Built need to must late because it's a all process is fast, and second build is not this more than time. Well, wait, our successful build now is our run container. Here is Docker run name this project 1. You can name your name, and dit is a data's interactive run is the backend in process id p for is the host port, and is a apache and container port or outgoing port. This is ubuntu is my container. Let's go. I think it is done. Now we are check our IP. It is our host IP. Now given here, I think no, because it is here is 8080 where it is no working here because it is not secure port. That's why it's not coming. I think is our project is run. How to run the Docker project? Here is details. Create a Docker a new file and in file and configuration management, and this you have any project is unzip, and then zip file download wget download, and then unzip and working. Unzip file have this. Thanks for watching.